Hey guys, on this episode I want to talk about 2 simple ways to feel fulfilled in life. This is how I view it. You basically have progress equals happiness. This is a Tony Robbins staple, but I kind of think of it as you have 5 different kind of categories, whether it's your body, your mind, relationships, your business, and that kind of thing. And then you have like giving to others. And that's basically it. If you want to feel more fulfilled in life, you have to either push yourself in one of those 4 or 5 areas, or you have to give your time or energy to someone else. Whether that's helping someone across the street, holding a grandmother's arm or something, which I guess you wouldn't do now with COVID, but stuff like that. Like if you're going out and helping, some old lady dig some flower beds or something like that, you'll instantly feel better. And if other people see you do that, then they will be more likely to do that as well. And this has been shown in studies. So the more you give, the more other people give, and it just makes everyone feel better, more fulfilled. The other way is to push yourself. So say like in a physical aspect, say if you go to the gym every day or every other day and you do the same workout over and over and over, and then it becomes easy. And say you're strong, you can do 10 or 20 chin-ups and this many bench press or whatever, but it becomes easy. You don't feel like you're progressing because you're not. You've got to a point where you plateaued and you can just maintain, but you're not feeling like you're progressing in life, and thus you don't feel fulfilled. So if you were to say put on a weight belt, throw on 45 pounds and start doing chin-ups, you'll feel way more fulfilled even though you can only do 2 versus 10 with no weight belt. And you will actually get stronger, and then thus you feel more fulfilled. And same thing happens if you watch a lot of TV and then suddenly you start listening to audiobooks. Then you'll be getting smarter, and you'll realize that because you start having conversations with people. I've noticed this in my own life. I just go through so many audiobooks and read so many things because I really don't have hardly any friends where I live. And so I just work on getting smarter. And now I can especially with my main YouTube channel on Earth Titan, I research so many different places around the world, and then all these audiobooks, I can talk about stuff at all times if I need to. And I know a lot about a lot of different things. And it's kind of weird when you get to that point where suddenly I can just talk about stuff and I didn't even think about it. So if you're replacing that time watching, TV, Survivor, or whatever else, where it's kind of junk television, it's fun to watch, but you don't really learn anything. You're not getting smarter. You're just wasting your time. You're using your time relaxing, but there's kind of a cutoff where maybe you need 2 hours of relaxation and maybe 2 or 3 hours of learning. Then you'll feel like you've done something with your time, and you'll actually be smarter. You can notice you're smarter. And this can be, with relationships. Say if you don't have, in my case, a lot of friends where I live, then I should put more effort into finding friends, and whether that's going on my hiking group and messaging people or whatever. I'll feel more fulfilled once I start building out that group. And I'm doing that right now because I realize that is a major downfall or a major pit of my current kind of buckets. So same thing with relationships or your business. Put more time in your business, you start making more money, then you start feeling more fulfilled. It's very simple. The idea is simple. It just requires hard work and pushing yourself beyond where you're used to going. So if you're feeling uncomfortable with what you're doing, then you're probably on the right track because you're doing something that's hard, and doing things that are hard makes you feel fulfilled. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. Really the only thing, hit the thumbs up button because that's what shares out the videos to more people. I greatly appreciate it if you do so. And until next episode,